Welcome this video. Canvas a shed into a home office. A step by step. Yes. Work for home has become increasingly popular. Make a definite home office space more hands than ever. If you have a shed in your backyard, you have the perfect opportunity to transforming it into a functional and comfortable work space. Convince a shed into a home office can income productive, often privacy, and create a professional atmosphere while keep your close to home. Here, a step by step guess to help your throwing the product. Step first, planted. Before start any renovation, choose load, build code and zoom load. Some area requested, promised for modify if you add electricity or pull. Make a plan for your often that income layout increasing need light and furniture placement. Consider the type of work you do you do and what quality you need, such as depth, choose shelter and even a Wi-Fi electric. Full and interior finish. Upgrading the full for add comfort and aesthetic. Various full light or even full calm create a professional and choosy fool. If you own a budget long area run, be an affordable electricity. Choose the planted color that promotes productive natural touch like wool or soft built area growing choose. Stall choose story unit and step up that set your work full. Finish and personalization your depth. Select electric furniture that supported comfort and productive. A good open chair and adjustable depth and story solved and essential consider add personal touch like artwork plants and decoration element to make the space invite if you plants you have no white much your background if professional and well adds finally touch senior often well considered various install stories solved such as look moment light or a security camera provide various by add window and various if need before moving in do a finally choose for essential all security electric internet hot and cool area are work popular